Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing your device and opening the Zoom app. First, make sure your microphone, speakers, and camera work in system settings so audio and video are ready. Once done, open the Zoom application or go to the installer to update. Having the latest version avoids glitches. Then sign in with your Zoom account, or, if you're joining quickly, click Join and enter the meeting ID and passcode. This gets you into the meeting lobby and ready for the next steps. Once you're inside, focus on controls that affect communication and presentation. Join audio by choosing computer audio and use test speaker and microphone to confirm sound levels. This prevents echoes and muted mistakes. Next, control your video. Start video, select the correct camera, and enable a virtual background or blur if you prefer privacy. Make sure you know where participants and chat are for questions, and locate share screen. When presenting, pick the window or full desktop to show content clearly to everyone. As the meeting finishes setup, use host tools and be ready to solve problems. If you host, mute or unmute participants, enable the waiting room for control, and assign a co-host to help manage chat and screen sharing. This keeps meetings orderly. If you need a record, start local or cloud recording, confirm storage space, and tell attendees. If something breaks, first restart Zoom, then check your internet and system permissions. If needed, switch to another device or run Zoom's audio/video test to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.